Welcome to today's video on how to use the law of attraction to manifest positive habits. Our habits shape our lives and determine our level of success, happiness, and overall well-being. By understanding and harnessing the power of the law of attraction, we can intentionally create and reinforce positive habits that align with our goals and desires. In this video, we will explore practical strategies and mindset shifts that will help you manifest positive habits and transform your life. Understand the law of attraction. The law of attraction is a universal principle that states that like attracts like. It suggests that we attract into our lives what we focus on and believe in. By applying the principles of the law of attraction, we can consciously create positive habits that support our growth and success. Clarify your desired habits. The first step in manifesting positive habits is to clarify what habits you want to develop. Reflect on the areas of your life where you would like to see improvement. What habits would contribute to your overall well-being, happiness, and success? Write down your desired habits and be specific about what you want to achieve. The more clarity you have, the easier it is to focus your attention and energy on manifesting these habits. Visualize yourself practicing the desired habits. Visualization is a powerful tool in the law of attraction. Take some time each day to visualize yourself engaging in the desired habits. Imagine yourself effortlessly and joyfully practicing these habits. Visualize the positive impact they have on your life and how they align with your goals and desires. The more vividly you can imagine it, the stronger the energetic vibration you send out to the universe. Align your thoughts and beliefs. To manifest positive habits, it is essential to align your thoughts and beliefs with the habits you want to cultivate. Be mindful of any negative or limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. Replace them with positive affirmations and empowering beliefs that support the development of your desired habits. Affirmations such as "I am committed to practicing positive habits daily," or "I effortlessly incorporate healthy habits into my life," can help reprogram your subconscious mind and reinforce positive habits. Take small, consistent actions. Manifesting positive habits requires taking small, consistent actions. Break down your desired habits into manageable steps and commit to taking these steps daily. Start with baby steps and gradually increase the level of difficulty or intensity as you progress. Consistency is key in developing positive habits, so make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Create supportive environments. Your environment plays a significant role in shaping your habits. Create an environment that supports and reinforces your desired habits. Remove any physical or mental clutter that may distract or hinder your progress. Surround yourself with people who support and encourage your positive habits. Seek out communities or groups with similar goals, as they can provide inspiration, accountability, and support. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment. It helps you become aware of your thoughts, emotions, and actions. By practicing mindfulness, you can observe any resistance or self-sabotaging patterns that may arise when trying to develop positive habits. Cultivate a mindful approach to your habits, paying attention to your intentions, actions, and the impact they have on your well-being. This awareness allows you to make conscious choices and make adjustments as needed. Celebrate small wins. Celebrating small wins along the way is essential for reinforcing positive habits. Acknowledge and celebrate each time you successfully practice your desired habits. Reward yourself for your efforts, no matter how small they may seem. Celebrating small wins boosts your motivation, builds momentum, and reinforces positive habits as a source of joy and fulfillment. Stay committed and persistent. Developing positive habits requires commitment and persistence. Stay committed to your desired habits, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. Remind yourself of the reasons why these habits are important to you and the positive impact they will have on your life. When obstacles arise, view them as opportunities for growth and learning rather than reasons to give up. Stay persistent in your efforts and believe in your ability to manifest and sustain positive habits. Practice self-compassion. Developing positive habits is a journey that requires patience and self-compassion. Be kind and forgiving towards yourself when you stumble or experience setbacks. Treat yourself with the same understanding and encouragement you would offer a close friend. Remember that creating new habits takes time and effort, and it's okay to make mistakes along the way. Use setbacks as learning opportunities and recommit yourself to your desired habits. Utilize affirmations and positive reinforcement. Affirmations are powerful tools for manifesting positive habits. Create affirmations that reflect your desired habits and repeat them daily. For example, say statements like, "I am dedicated to practicing positive habits," or "I easily and effortlessly incorporate healthy habits into my life." By consistently affirming these positive beliefs, you reinforce them in your subconscious mind and strengthen your commitment to your habits. Additionally, use positive reinforcement to reward yourself for practicing your desired habits. Treat yourself to something enjoyable or engage in activities that bring you joy when you successfully practice your habits. Positive reinforcement creates a positive association with your habits and motivates you to continue practicing them. Stay mindful of your thoughts and actions. Maintain awareness of your thoughts and actions throughout the day. Notice any negative or self-sabotaging thoughts that may arise and consciously replace them with positive, supportive thoughts. Be mindful of your behaviors and ensure they align with your desired habits. If you catch yourself engaging in old patterns or habits that contradict your goals, gently redirect your focus back to your desired habits. Surround yourself with positive influences. Surrounding yourself with positive influences can greatly support your journey of manifesting positive habits. Seek out individuals who already possess the habits you want to develop and learn from their experiences. Join communities or groups that share your goals and provide support and encouragement. Engage in conversations, read books, or listen to podcasts that inspire and motivate you to maintain your positive habits. Manifesting positive habits through the law of attraction is a powerful way to transform your life. By aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your desired habits, you can consciously create a life filled with positive behaviors, success, and well-being. Remember to stay committed, take consistent action, and practice self-compassion along the journey. With the law of attraction as your guide, you have the ability to manifest the positive habits that will lead you to a fulfilling and joyful life.